Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. I bought some reduced price yellow sticker blueberries, and I've used some of them in a bread and butter pudding, and I thought, what can I do with the rest of them? So I'm going to cook them. I'm going to make like a sauce. Some people call it a compote. So in this pan I've got half a glass of water, half a mug of water. I've got it bubbling away. I've got some sugar here. It's just granulated. You can use caster if you want. I've got a big heat tablespoon. I'm going to mix that in. And then I'm going to throw the blueberries in. Hobble bobble. Do you like blueberries? If you don't, you can do the same with raspberries or strawberries cut up, or black currants, red currants, whatever you get hold of. This time of the year, all the fruits and berries are in season. It's also nice with plums, peaches cut into pieces. Yeah, or even a mixture of them. So it definitely works best, I find, with berries. Yeah, the water's starting to go coloured now, starting to go mushy. I also bought some reduced price Scotch pancakes. These were reduced to 33p. I've got 3 in the microwave, and I'm going to give them a quick blast. So I've got a full power, and about 20 seconds should do it. So the pancakes are nice and warm. You see the water starting to colour up now. Maybe I could have used a bit less water because I only had a few blackberries. But you know, you just need a dot of water, you don't need loads. Hubble bubble, boil and trouble. All that kind of thing. Bit of macbeth there. Oh. Do you know what? I might give them another 10 seconds. I'm born to faff me. Let's give them another 10. So 30 seconds in total, so they're all nice and warm. Oh, this is looking nice. So I've got the pan on full number 6. Just to get it cooking quick. As you can see, it's lovely. So what do you do with fruit? I like to make crumbles. Usually if I've got the oven on and I'm cooking other food, I try to make either a rice pudding, because that's lovely with fruit in, a crumble, or a bread and butter pudding, because I think if you're using the oven, why not use it? Save on the energy because you've got other food cooking anyway, and have yourself a nice dessert. I usually make rice pudding from leftover boiled rice from the day before. Bread and butter pudding using stale bread, and if I make a crumble, sometimes I'll throw some porridge oats into the crumble mixture itself. Or sometimes I use brown sugar because it just gives it an extra nice flavour, or even nicer, some ground cinnamon. So there you go. Oh, this is looking lovely now. Oh, hope you can see. So I'm going to let this reduce down more. That's the other half, so I can put it on the other 3 pancakes for my son. What I find works nice as well, if you've got a potato masher, and give it all a bit of a squish. If you've got a bit of natural yoghurt, or Greek style yoghurt, or proper Greek yoghurt, creme fraiche, or even a dollop of ice cream if you're feeling extravagant. Or cream. With that extra thick cream, that's really bad for you and it's bound to give you a heart attack. So there you go. I'm going to spoon some on. And please bear in mind, I'm a mum cooking. I'm not a chef. Okay. And as I said, a dollop of cream, bit of yogurt would make it absolutely lovely. So there you go, that's how I use up last of any fruit that I've got. Yum, yum, yum. And I'm going to scoff it all up now. Please like, share and subscribe. Please check out my playlist. I have £1 or less meals in a playlist and there's 170 videos there. Yes, that's right, I didn't mispronounce it. 170 videos. I hope if you have a little look you find something useful amongst them. Bye for now.